As in, if you dey follow the right person, you no go miss road.
Yeah.
Hey loves, it's your girl Amachundi and welcome back to my channel. In case you're seeing this gorgeous face for the first time, please don't make it your last by hitting the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. It feels so good to have you here and welcome on board. Alright my love, as you can tell by the title of this video, I will be sharing with you how I met the one and only, my online mentor, my inspiration, the one who inspired me to start a YouTube channel. Yes, that's right. Drum roll. Layefa Ebitomo. Yeah, I call her my online mentor because I've learned a lot from her. Like, she has inspired me in so many ways. Starting a YouTube channel. So how I came to know about Layefa, the journey started when I was working in Jabi Lake Mall in Abuja. Yeah, a colleague of mine was going through Instagram and she saw this woman dancing and she was pregnant. So she called to my attention and was like, see this woman who get belly and they dance, see her dance move and all of that. So I saw the video. It was Kora Obidi. Yeah, so I became so interested in watching Kora Obidi's videos. So I followed her on Instagram and I started watching all her videos, and yeah, then I discovered she's on YouTube. I went to YouTube, I searched for her, and yes, she was there. I subscribed to her channel, and yeah, I scrolled down to her videos to check some of her dance videos and all of that. So I stumbled across one of them, which was the one a lady was doing makeup for her. Yes, so they were just discussing, gisting, and she was there doing the makeup. So I saw the makeup, it was gorgeous. Like the technique she was using, like I was like, this woman know her job. She's a big work. Like where make her learn from her. Then I discovered it was Layefa Beauty. She was using Layefa Beauty as of then. So I subscribed to her channel as well. I scrolled down to her last video, the first video she posted. I scrolled down, I started watching, and then my god, she's so amazing. Like, she knows her job very well. She knows her art, like the makeup business. She's sabi and well. I say, I must learn from this person. So I started watching her videos, getting some inspirations, and the way she relates with her sisters, it's so amazing. Seriously, her mom, her mom is so funny, and yeah, I love watching them, to be honest. Yeah, so since then she became my online mentor. Layefa, if you're watching this, seriously, this one no be joke. Like, this one na real talk. She became my online mentor. Sometimes if I comment on her comment section, I do refer to her as my online mentor and all of those stuff. Yeah, because she inspired me in so many ways that I can't even count. First, yes, she made me to start a YouTube channel. Yeah, that's right. And I learned makeup techniques and some very important things to know about makeup through Layefa. And again, she revived. I was once a makeup artist, yeah, so I left, and because of Layefa I came back. See this makeup now, see this makeup. As in, if you dey follow the right person, you no go miss road. Yeah, so Layefa is such an amazing person. I followed her in all social media, both her, yeah, she's the owner of Mirac Cosmetic. I follow Mirac. I followed Layefa Ebitomo. I follow Layefa, her YouTube, like everywhere I follow your Layefa. Yeah, so My love, that's how I came to know Layefa, and I can't wait to meet her in person. Layefa, if you're watching this, please, I want to meet you one-on-one. Yeah. To be honest, I can't wait to meet you. Like, you're such an inspiration to me, and God bless the day I saw you online. Like, I can't wait to meet you in person, seriously. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, share with your friends, and share this video so that it will reach Layefa. Please share. I love you all. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.